According to media reports on July 23rd, the iPhone SE4 will be equipped with Apple A18 Bionic chip, and the new fourth generation of iPhone SE will be launched in the first half of next year. The iPhone 16 series, also equipped with the A18 Bionic chip, will debut sometime in September 2024. If this report holds true, the upcoming iPhone SE series will match the configuration of Apple's flagship iPhones for the first time in the company's history. Analysts pointed out that the main reason why the iPhone SE4 upgraded the A18 chip was Apple Intelligence. At this year's WWDC 2024, Apple released Apple Intelligence for the first time, which only supports the A17 Pro model, which means that only the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max can experience Apple's AI capabilities. Apple aims to make Apple Intelligence widely available in future phones, necessitating the use of the latest flagship chips. This makes Apple Intelligence a significant selling point for the iPhone SE4. Notably, Apple also announced that upcoming HomePod speakers with touchscreens will be powered by the A18 chip, indicating that these new products will support Apple Intelligence as well. Moving ahead, a new rumor from China suggests that Apple will use the same rear chassis manufacturing process for the iPhone SE4 as it will for the upcoming standard iPhone 16. According to the Weibo-based leaker Fixed Focus Digital, the backplate production process for the iPhone SE4 is the same as the standard model in Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, expected to launch in September. The iPhone SE4, on the other hand, is slated for a spring release. This latest claim contradicts earlier reports that Apple would base the fourth-generation iPhone SE on a modified iPhone 14 chassis. McRumors learned from a source close to Apple's manufacturing process that the dimensions of the iPhone SE4 perfectly matched those of the base model iPhone 14 in its current stage. The reasons for this change remain unclear. Apple might have decided to use its newer rear chassis process for the more budget-friendly SE model to benefit from economies of scale as the production of iPhone 14 models slowed down. Alternatively, this could signal a change in the camera system for the iPhone SE4. Unlike the iPhone 14, the iPhone SE4 was rumored to feature a single 48-megapixel rear camera with a custom backplate to accommodate the design change. In contrast, the iPhone 16 models are expected to have a new vertical camera lens arrangement, differing from the diagonal setup of the iPhone 15. This new layout would allow the standard iPhone 16 models to capture spatial video for the Vision Pro headset. If the iPhone SE4 adopts the same backplate, it might also feature a dual camera setup, although no specific rumors have confirmed this. If these rumors are accurate, the iPhone SE4 could have two rear cameras, potentially due to the underwhelming sales of the Apple Vision Pro. One of the main reasons for the low sales is the limited number of apps and functionality. The vertical lens placement on iPhones would enable spatial video recording capabilities, especially for the Vision Pro, adding credibility to this leak. In February, leaker Majin Buu suggested that the iPhone SE4 would be based on the iPhone 16 design. He shared an image showing a single camera with a flash, vertically mounted, consistent with the expected vertical design of the iPhone 16's rear cameras. Apple is also aiming for a $500 starting price for the iPhone SE4, despite several rumored upgrades. The new model will replace Touch ID and the Home button with Face ID and a display notch, increasing the display size from 4.7 inches to 6.1 inches. Other anticipated features include a USB-C port and an action button. With the third-generation iPhone SE released in March 2022, there is likely significant demand for a new model with the latest features of Apple's flagship iPhones. The iPhone SE4 is likely to be released next year in 2025, unlike the iPhone 16 series, which is expected to be launched in September this year. The phone SE4 is expected to be priced around the $500 mark and will reportedly feature a 6.1-inch screen, Face ID, a display notch, a USB-C port, and an action button. For more details on the iPhone SE4, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, what are your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone SE4? Are you excited about it? What is the one change you don't want to see in the fourth generation of iPhone SE? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.